Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Instagram without a recovery code. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Instagram here and say if there is an account that you're trying to log into, but you're trying to say reset your password or sending you a recovery code to your email address, and you're just not getting it. There is a way to log into your account even without that code. So on here, you're going to want to type in your username that you're trying to access here, and then just tap the Forgot Password button right there. And again, it will ask you which username do you want to try to log into, and you can say Next here, and it will immediately say it's going to send a code to that email. But say maybe I'm not ever getting it, or that's not an email that I have access to anymore. Right? Under that it says, can't reset my password, so I can tap that. And it will say choose a way to recover that password again. Maybe I don't have access to this email anymore, and I need a different way. The very bottom, it says try another way. So I'm going to tap that. Then it gives me a few different options. It says, why can't you get into your Instagram account? And I can say the login code was sent to a mobile number or email that I don't have access to, and I can hit next here. And it says, do you have a photo of yourself in the account? So have you posted a photo of yourself on that Instagram account? For me, this is just a business account, but you might be able to say, yes, I have a photo of myself in that account. I'm going to say no, I don't have a photo of myself in that account. And then what was the email address used to create it? Here you're going to use and verify this email address, but you can say, I can access this email. And you can go try another way, and it will walk you through some different ways. Or you can say my account was hacked and hit next. And you can say potentially here, yes, I have a photo of myself in the account and hit next. And then you can enter in an email address that they can reach you in. So keep trying these different options until you get to somebody that will email you at an account that you have. And the best way to do that and get your verification code or get your account set back up is to send an email with a copy of your photo ID, your driver's license, your passport, something like that. And Instagram will review that and then get you your account back and recovered. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.